Hi, Pam Bivens here in my home here in Lompoc, California. And this is a Saturday, and I know most people that I used to work with, typically they work for the weekends. And being a business owner, you can't go there. You've got to get your business done. If you schedule time off, all good. That means you've gotten everything done that you need to get done, and you can go on from there. So if you are one of those few that really your goal is to make something big of yourself, to be able to do whatever you want, basically whenever you want, because you can schedule your own time being a business owner. You just don't work for the weekends because things come up, things need to get done. And being a business owner, you get it done. There's no if or when or tomorrow or any of that. You just get it done. So that's what they call getting the wussy out of you. You don't whine about it. You don't make excuses. You just get it done. So if you're one of those that don't make excuses for yourself, you stand up for yourself, says, I will do this, period. Go ahead, hit the link below. I'd like to talk to you, set some good goals, and get you off on the right foot. Okay? So, we'll see you in the next video. You take care.